In this video we will demonstrate the Dualz Cloud Multiviewer. Visit the public IP address of the Multiviewer instance. You will see the layout configuration of your Multiviewer stream. By default, a predefined 2x2 layout is shown. Go to the Multiviewer tab page to view the output stream. The output stream can be watched over several protocols. The preview window shows the WebRTC stream. Go to the tab page Manage Streams, in order to define your input streams. Input streams can be given as transport stream, RTMP, SRT input, or just a generic URL supporting all IP protocols like UDP, HLS, and more. You can also add an analog or digital clock in the Multiview. In the configuration page you can map the input streams to the Multiviewer tiles. Just select a predefined layout and use drag and drop to map the streams to the tiles. Select whether you want to see the VU meters, and the service names under the tiles. Once you are done, go to the Multiviewer page to see the output stream. Thanks for watching. Visit dualz.com for more information.